Today, we are going to explore the world of peppers and how they can aid you on your weight loss journey. Peppers, a colorful and flavorful addition to many dishes, are more than just a culinary delight. They are packed with nutrients and compounds that can significantly aid in weight loss. From boosting metabolism to suppressing appetite, peppers offer a multifaceted approach to achieving your weight loss goals. This video delves deep into how peppers can supercharge your weight loss journey, backed by scientific research and practical tips on incorporating them into your diet. The nutritional powerhouse, peppers, particularly hot varieties like chili peppers, are rich in capsaicin, a compound responsible for their heat. Capsaicin has been widely studied for its potential benefits in weight loss and overall health. Additionally, peppers are low in calories, high in fiber, and loaded with vitamins and minerals, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking to shed pounds. Key nutrients in peppers. Capsaicin. The star compound in hot peppers, capsaicin, is known for its metabolism-boosting and appetite-suppressing properties. Vitamin C. Peppers are an excellent source of vitamin C, which supports immune function and skin health. Vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for vision, immune function, and skin health. Fiber. Peppers are high in dietary fiber, promoting digestive health and satiety. Antioxidants. Peppers contain various antioxidants which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. How peppers aid in weight loss. Boosting metabolism. Metabolism refers to the set of life-sustaining chemical reactions in organisms. It includes converting food to energy to run cellular processes, converting food to building blocks for proteins, lipids, nucleic acids, and carbohydrates, and eliminating nitrogenous wastes. In humans, it is influenced by multiple factors, including genetics, age, sex, and physical activity level. Boosting metabolism can aid in weight loss by increasing the number of calories burned, even at rest. Thermogenesis. Capsaicin has been shown to increase thermogenesis, the process by which the body generates heat. This, in turn, can boost metabolic rate and help burn more calories. Thermogenesis plays a crucial role in energy expenditure and is a part of the body's mechanisms for maintaining homeostasis. The process involves the conversion of energy into heat and can be triggered by various factors, including diet, exercise, and ambient temperature. Suppressing appetite. Appetite regulation is a complex process involving various hormones, neural pathways, and psychological factors. The sensation of hunger is controlled by the hypothalamus, a region of the brain that integrates signals from the body to regulate energy balance. Capsaicin not only boosts metabolism but also acts as an appetite suppressant. Research indicates that capsaicin can reduce hunger and increase feelings of fullness, leading to a decrease in overall calorie intake. Hormonal influence. Capsaicin influences several hormones that play a role in appetite regulation, including ghrelin, leptin, and peptide YY. Ghrelin, often referred to as the hunger hormone, stimulates appetite and promotes food intake. Leptin, on the other hand, is known as the satiety hormone and signals the brain to reduce appetite and increase energy expenditure. Peptide YY is another hormone that helps reduce appetite after eating. Enhancing fat oxidation. Fat oxidation refers to the body's ability to break down fat and use it as a source of energy. This process is essential for weight loss as it helps reduce body fat stores. Fat oxidation occurs in the mitochondria, the energy-producing organelles within cells, and is influenced by factors such as diet, exercise, and metabolic rate. Capsaicin and fat oxidation. Capsaicin has been found to enhance fat oxidation, particularly during exercise. This means that incorporating peppers into your diet can help you burn more fat during physical activity. Reducing fat accumulation. Some studies suggest that capsaicin may inhibit the growth of fat cells and reduce the accumulation of body fat. This is particularly important for preventing weight gain and maintaining a healthy body composition. Adipogenesis, the process of forming new fat cells, is regulated by various factors, including hormones, enzymes, and transcription factors. Improving digestive health. The high fiber content in peppers aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. A healthy digestive system is crucial for efficient nutrient absorption and overall well-being, both of which are essential for sustainable weight loss. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that the body cannot digest, and it passes through the digestive system relatively intact. Benefits of dietary fiber. Dietary fiber has several benefits for digestive health, including promoting regular bowel movements. Fiber adds bulk to the stool, making it easier to pass through the intestines and reducing the risk of constipation. Supporting gut microbiota. Fiber serves as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiota is essential for maintaining digestive health and preventing gastrointestinal disorders. Regulating blood sugar levels. Fiber slows the absorption of sugar, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of insulin resistance. Enhancing satiety. Fiber increases feelings of fullness and reduces overall calorie intake, aiding in weight management. Capsaicin and gut health. Capsaicin has been shown to have a positive impact on gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and reducing inflammation. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that capsaicin improved the composition of gut microbiota in obese individuals. The study participants who consumed capsaicin showed an increase in beneficial bacteria and a decrease in harmful bacteria, leading to improved gut health. Additionally, capsaicin has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. Chronic inflammation is associated with various gastrointestinal disorders, including inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. By reducing inflammation, capsaicin can help improve symptoms and support overall digestive health. Types of peppers and their benefits. Peppers come in various types, each with its own unique flavor, heat level, and nutritional profile. Understanding the different types of peppers can help you make informed choices and incorporate them into your diet effectively. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are mild and come in various colors, including red, yellow, orange, and green. They are rich in vitamins A and C and provide a good amount of fiber. Bell peppers are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to stir-fries. Benefits: low in calories. Bell peppers are low in calories, making them ideal for weight loss. High in antioxidants. Bell peppers are rich in antioxidants, supporting overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Versatile. Bell peppers can be enjoyed raw or cooked, adding flavor and nutrition to meals. Chili peppers. Chili peppers, including varieties like jalapenos, habaneros, and cayenne, are known for their heat and capsaicin content. They are commonly used in spicy dishes and sauces. Benefits: boost metabolism. Chili peppers can boost metabolism and increase calorie burning. Suppress appetite. Chili peppers can help suppress appetite and reduce overall calorie intake. Enhance flavor. Chili peppers add a spicy kick to meals, enhancing flavor without adding extra calories. Sweet peppers. Sweet peppers, such as banana peppers and pimientos, offer a mild flavor and are often used in pickling and salads. They provide a sweet taste without added sugars, making them a healthy choice for those looking to reduce sugar intake. Benefits: low in calories. Sweet peppers are low in calories and can be included in weight loss diets. High in vitamins. Sweet peppers are rich in vitamins A and C, supporting immune function and overall health. Versatile. Sweet peppers can be enjoyed raw, pickled, or cooked, adding variety to meals. Incorporating peppers into your diet can be simple and enjoyable. To get the most out of peppers and their weight loss benefits, consider the following tips. Choose fresh and organic. Whenever possible, choose fresh organic peppers. They are more likely to retain their nutritional value and are free from harmful pesticides. Organic peppers are grown without synthetic chemicals, ensuring that you consume a pure and healthy product. Store properly. Store peppers in the refrigerator to keep them fresh longer. Use them within a week for the best flavor and nutritional benefits. Experiment with different varieties. Don't limit yourself to one type of pepper. Experiment with different varieties to keep your meals interesting and to benefit from a range of nutrients. Each type of pepper offers unique flavors and health benefits, adding diversity to your diet. Combine with other healthy foods. Pair peppers with other nutrient-dense foods like lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. This will help you create balanced meals that support your weight loss goals. Combining peppers with a variety of healthy ingredients can enhance the overall nutritional profile of your meals. Potential side effects and precautions. While peppers offer numerous health benefits, it is important to be aware of potential side effects and precautions. Digestive discomfort. Some people may experience digestive discomfort, such as heartburn or stomach pain, after consuming hot peppers. Start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake to gauge your tolerance. If you have a sensitive stomach or a history of gastrointestinal issues, consult with a healthcare provider before adding hot peppers to your diet. Allergic reactions. Although rare, some individuals may be allergic to peppers. If you experience any allergic reactions, such as itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing, seek medical attention immediately. It is important to identify and avoid allergens to prevent adverse reactions. Interactions with medications. Capsaicin can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and blood pressure medications. Consult with your healthcare provider before adding large amounts of hot peppers to your diet if you are on any medication. It is important to ensure that your dietary choices do not interfere with your medical treatments. So, to recap, peppers are a versatile and powerful addition to any weight loss plan. Their ability to boost metabolism, suppress appetite, enhance fat oxidation, and improve digestive health makes them an invaluable tool in your weight loss journey. By incorporating a variety of peppers into your diet and pairing them with other healthy foods, you can enjoy their full range of benefits. Remember to start with small amounts if you are new to hot peppers and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. Embrace the power of peppers and take a flavorful step towards achieving your weight loss goals. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips and tricks to being the best version of you.